In this video, you will learn how to insert page number in PDF file. Currently, you can see here I have a PDF file and I want to insert page number in this file like this one. Currently, you can see here in second file I have inserted page number. So let's start this video. Firstly, open Google. Type I love PDF. Open this site. I will also provide the link of this website in description section. Now go to all PDF tools and here you will find the option of add page number. Select this one. Now it will ask you to select PDF file. Click on it. Select the PDF file. For example, I want to insert page number on this file, so I will select this one. After selecting the desired file, click on open. Now you can see here our file is uploaded. Here you will find plenty of options. First one is the either single page or facing page. I will select single page. You can also select facing page like this one. I will select single page. Here is the option of position. You can select the position of the page number. For example, you want to insert page number on the top of page or the bottom of page or the center of the page. You can select any desired position. I am interested to insert page number at the bottom and center of the page, so I will select this location. It is also indicated by the circles which appeared on these pages. Here is the option of margin. You can select any margin. For example, here is the option of small margin, recommended margin or big. I will select recommended. Here is the option of pages. You can select the page number. First page number as 2, 3, 4 or 5 according to your requirement. In this case, I want to insert first page number on first page, so I will select first. If I select 2, then it will assign 2 as a first page, then 3, 4, 5. So I am interested to start page number from the page first, so I will select first. Then you can scroll down and you will find other options. For example, which pages do you want to number? I want to number all pages, so I have selected 1 to 7. If you are interested to insert page number on only 6 pages, you can select 1 to 6. If you scroll down, you will find other options. For example, text, it is the format of page number. If you click here, either you want to insert only page number, you want to insert page along with page numbers, or you want to insert page number along with total number of pages, or custom according to your requirement. I will select insert only page number. After that, here is the option of text format. You can format the page number. From here you can adjust the font style. Here is the option of font size. Similarly, you can bold them, italic them according to your requirement. I will not make any changes. I will use default setting. After all these settings, click on add page numbers. Now it is adding page number to your file. Now click on download PDF numbered. Wait for a few seconds. Open the folder. Double click on this file. If I scroll down, you can observe that we have successfully inserted page number in PDF file 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Similarly, you can observe that the page number is not inserted on page 7 because we have selected 1 to 6 page. So by doing so, you can easily insert page number in PDF file. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.